Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing the question number 17 and we actually discussed here we are discussing question number 18 and now in this question we are here for providing all the solution of this PDF or not for only these questions. We are providing all the solutions of this all the codes of this MCA new codes of the first semester, second semester, third and fourth semester of all the students. If you need any other help regarding this course or any other courses, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number which is showing on your screen below on the right corner, the 900-936-8238. You can contact us on our WhatsApp number without any hesitation by message or call. Now the question number 18 is how Hamiltonian graphs is differ from the Eulerian graphs, and give Dirac and NIOS criterion for the Hamiltonian graphs. So in this one you have to just differ from the Eulerian graphs from the Hamiltonian graphs and given the Dirac and NIOS criterion for the Hamiltonian graph. So if you need answers of this PDF, so you can contact us without any hesitation. We provide all the solution within a day in a. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.